How to think so clearly. People assume you're a genius. Nobody is born a clear thinker. Clear thinking is a discipline, a practice, a set of specific habits that can be learned, drilled, and made automatic. I have sat in rooms with people who are widely considered geniuses. MIT laboratories, billion-dollar board meetings, research conferences, where the best minds in the world argue over difficult problems. And what separates them from everyone else is not raw intelligence. It is the quality of their thinking process. They think clearly. They think precisely. They think slowly enough to be fast when it matters. Here are the practices that make them different. Practice 1. Define the real problem before trying to solve it. This sounds obvious. It is almost never done. Most people spend 90% of their cognitive energy solving the problem as they first perceived it euro, without ever asking whether that is actually the right problem. The result is elegant solutions to the wrong questions. Before you begin solving, write one sentence that precisely defines the real problem you are trying to solve. Not the symptom, not the surface presentation, the root. If you cannot write that sentence clearly, you do not understand the problem yet. Practice 2. Separate facts from interpretations. The most common source of unclear thinking is conflating what happened with what you believe it means. A fact is, the client did not renew the contract. An interpretation is, they are dissatisfied with our work. Those are not the same thing euro, but most people treat them as identical. Get into the habit of explicitly labeling your statements. Is this something I know or something I believe? This distinction alone will make your thinking substantially more rigorous. Practice 3. Steelman before you dismiss. The intellectually lazy path is to engage with the weakest version of an opposing argument and dismiss it easily. This is called straw manning, and it produces the illusion of thinking without any of its value. The more powerful practice. Before dismissing any idea, construct the strongest possible version of the argument for it. If you cannot articulate why a reasonable, intelligent person would believe the thing you disagree with euro, you have not understood it well enough to reject it. This practice is what makes someone genuinely persuasive rather than merely argumentative. Practice 4. Think on paper. The human brain is optimized for pattern recognition and social navigation. It is not optimized for holding complex multivariable problems in working memory